All right, hey everybody. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So I'm here at my local tie and pallet mill. It's an Amish mill, Amish-owned mill. It's actually run by a logger friend of mine. He buys the logs and supplies the equipment here. But the sawmill belongs to the Amish and they do the sawing. So I kind of have to be careful, videoing here. This is on the weekend and no one is here. This is a video I had recorded here a week or so ago. But anyway, I just want to take y'all along and let y'all unload a load of logs with me right quick and see how that part of the operation goes. Now I've already got the chains and everything off of red, and we've got 2 loads that we're going to unload here at the mill. There's just a few logs on. These logs are actually from the yard job that I showed y'all here the other day. So it won't take long to get these logs off, and on the next load I'm going to have the camera set up in a different way to give you a little bit of a different view, if that makes any sense. So anyway, I hope y'all like it, enjoy it, and I hope everyone's had a happy 4th of July and Independence Day. Now y'all, the headache rack on this loader is a little bit wider than my stands are on my log truck. So I have to kind of come in from the top, if that makes any sense, rather than try to go between them. So we have to do that to kind of keep things moving. And also, whenever we lay these logs out, we lay them out kind of in a line instead of stacking them on top of each other because the sawmill man, the guy that's running this thing, has to grade and scale them. And so I line them out for him where he can, do his thing. And then after he does what he needs to do, one of the guys that works here will sort the logs according to pallet grade or tie grade logs and put them where they need to go. And y'all can see over there at the knuckle boom loader how he's got logs stacked here and there, and they kind of got their own thing about how they want them stacked and where they want them at. But when they're unloading log trucks, they just kind of unload them and stack them over here in a line where the man that buys them can come in and check them and get a good view of what's going on with them. Now I will say I sure am glad that my log buyer trusts me enough to use his loader, because like I say, we come in at kind of odd times, like on the weekend and after hours and whatnot, and he don't mind me using his old loader here to get our load off, and that's a lot easier than having to dump it. It's a lot safer and not as much manual labor, so that helps us out a lot too. Now I want to set it up in two different spots, give y'all kind of two different views, so you could see it from different angles and whatnot. I know you can't see me stacking the logs down there at this angle, but you can see kind of how they come off the truck a little bit better. But if y'all don't care, let me know in the comments what you think. Which views you like better, maybe what you'd like to see, what I could do to make the videos better. After all, I'm here for y'all, and I thank y'all for watching and all the kind words everybody always gives us. I really appreciate it, y'all. Well, y'all, thanks for watching and hanging out with us again. I really appreciate it. To all the new subscribers, the likes, comments, all that good stuff, I really appreciate it, y'all. Again, I wanted to take y'all along and show you, something a little different. And this is part of the process, and I told y'all I would tell you the truth. So here's another aspect of it. And again, I'm going to put my email up here on the screen in case y'all need me. Y'all can holler at me and we'll get together. But y'all take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time.